Hey Avery, who came to visit last night? Who came to visit you last night? Who came to visit you? Who came to visit you? Yeah, where are your presents?
That's presents.
The Easter Bunny came and gave you presents. Let's find them. Let's go find them, okay?
I'll find them.
Where are they?
Okay.
Where are they? Let's go find them. I think they're this way. Where are they? Uh-oh, you're getting colder. Where is it? I don't think they're this way. I don't think so. Where's your Easter basket? Where's your Easter basket?
Almost over here.
Where is it? Where's your Easter basket?
I found it.
You find it. Where is it? Let's go find it. Go find it. Where is it? Where is it? It's not up there. No, it's not. Let's go find it, okay? Go find it. I think it's close to where Aussie eats her dinner. Do you know where Aussie eats? Do you know where Aussie eats? Yeah, let's go find it. Let's go find it. Go find it, Avery. Avery, I think you're getting colder. Avery, you're getting colder. You want to go find it? Yeah, go find it. You're getting warmer. You're getting warmer. Oh, you found it. Is that where the Easter Bunny hid it? Is it? Can you go get it? Do you want Daddy to open the door?
Hey.
Wow. Wow, look at that. The Easter Bunny hid that in the washing machine. Oh my goodness. Avery, can you say thank you, Easter Bunny?
He brought you Shrek.
Yeah.
What? Wow.
Yeah.
Basket. Avery, did you check the... Did you check the...
Yeah. Shh.
Avery, did you check the dryer?
Oh, is there more in there? Oh, that crazy Easter Bunny.
He loaded up...
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Whoa. Wow.
What, did he hook you up or what?
Wow.
What's that? My Little Pony.
Yeah.
Oh,
Avery, can you say thank you, Easter Bunny?
Bunny.
Yeah.
What's this?
Uh-oh. That's a nice Easter Bunny, huh? Say thank you, Easter Bunny.
You too, Easter Bunny.
Wow.